Hey YouTube, and welcome to the Iknow channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to control Arduino with the Pascal programming language. So let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome again. So the first thing we'd like to do is to create the Arduino project. So go to the Arduino IDE, and you're going to be creating a simple program which will turn the LED that's attached to the Arduino when we send the character A to the Arduino from the computer, and we're going to be turning it off whenever we send something else. So let's attach the Arduino and let's start typing. So void setup inside the void setup, we're going to be opening up the serial communication between the computer and the Arduino. So serial dot begin in the speed of 9600 bits per second. And the second thing we'd like to do is to make the pin 13 as an output. So pin mode 13 is an output. And then we're going to be creating the second function, which is the void loop, which is our main program that gets repeated again and again forever. So if the serial dot available, if the serial is available, then we're gonna be storing the data of that serial inside a variable called data. So data is gonna take serial dot read, and of course we have to initialize that variable. So I'm gonna initialize it as I'm gonna declare it as a character. So data, and then if data is equals to the character A, in that case we are going to digital write the LED, the pin 13, to high. We're gonna be making it high. So it is output and it is high. Else we're gonna be making it low. So here basically whenever we read data from the serial port, if that data is equals to the character A, then we're gonna be turning the LED to on. Else if the data is anything except that character, then we're going to be turning it off. So let's upload the code to the Arduino. And let me test the serial monitor. So if I send the character A, the LED turns on. If I send something else, the LED turns off. Okay, now we're good with the Arduino. Now let's move to the Pascal part. So go to your Pascal IDE like Lazarus, for example. If you don't have Lazarus, then I recommend you install it. It's free software. You can go to www.lazarus-ide.org. So press the download now button. It's cross-platform, and whether you're using Linux or Windows or Mac or whatever, so Lazarus is gonna be good for you. So open up Lazarus and create a new program, and let's delete this garbage here and type in program. Let's type it, for example, or let's call it Arduino, and then begin and end. If you don't have any knowledge about the Pascal programming language, then this tutorial might not be good for you, especially if you don't want to learn it. But if you know the Pascal programming language and you'd like to just use it to control your Arduino, then you're good here. So the first thing we'd like to do here is to create a file. Let's declare a file, variable of type file. Let's call it f, which is a file char. And then we're going to be assigning in our program that file, which is assigned the file f, to com3. And you notice here I typed it here in the second argument com3 and not a name of a file, because the com3 is treated as a file. But instead of storing the data going to that file, going to that COM port to a specific file, instead of doing that, it's going to be going to the USB port, since the USB port is connected to the COM port 3. And then we're going to be resetting it, opening it, and after that we're going to be let's add an if statement here. Let's first read the value of a, and then if a is equal to 1, for example, then write to the file f. We're going to be writing the character a. Else we're going to be writing to f the character, any other character like s, for example. And here read line to make sure that the program does not stop. And let's add a loop here. So while true, do, and begin, and then end here. And of course we've created here a variable called a, so let's declare it. So var a is of type integer. And let's execute our program. Now I'm gonna be typing in 1. The LED turned on, the LED on the Arduino turned on. If I send any other value, the LED turned off. On, off, etc. So that's it. That's how basically you can control your Arduino from Pascal programming language. Or pretty much the same principle is used in any programming language. So instead of writing to a file, you can write to the COM port directly. So assign the file f, which is a file of type char, to COM3, and then reset it, opening it, and then this is an infinite loop, so these two instructions is going to be repeating themselves forever. We're going to be reading the value of a from the user as an input, and then we're going to be seeing if that input is equals to 1, then we're going to be turning on the LED. If the a is equals to anything except 1, then we're going to be turning it off. So that's how we control the Arduino from Pascal. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, suggestion, or comment, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So thank you guys, and see you guys later.